Hi everybody, Levi Clay here, and I'm back again with another silly solos video. So for those unfamiliar, what we have here is a recording of an artist, in this case Josh Smith, and over the top of that I have laid the exported audio from the transcription that I worked on in my monthly live stream. So yeah, Josh isn't playing with a crazy keyboard synth pedal, that's the audio from the transcription. So yeah, as you might expect, if you are interested in learning this type of thing, you want to learn to transcribe like this, then of course you want to follow my channel, you want to check out my live streams, maybe you want to check me out on Patreon. There you can, learn all of this stuff. If you want anything other than that, if you want to learn about taste and tone and phrasing, then you have to go and listen to Josh Smith. So if you are unfamiliar with Josh's playing, this should be a slight introduction to him. It's a video of him demoing a Collings guitar. So yeah, super cool. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Any comments, questions, let me know in that comment section below. Laters.